Hello, I'm Xander. Welcome to this Django ORM query challenge. Now you can follow along with these challenges like a Django ORM workshop or tutorial if you're just getting started out, or use it to test your current Django query skills. You can find the source code and the setup instructions for all of our challenges linked in the video description. Our next challenge, our goal is to return a list of products priced between 50 and 1,000. So the filter here must be equal to or more than 50 and price less than and equal to 1,000. So take a moment to try this yourself. Pause the video here, and if or when you're ready, I'll walk you through a solution step by step. Right, so we're going to be working with the products table, so our products model. So let's start there. We want to return products. Okay, so products equals, and then the product model, our manager, and we're going to be running a filter. So let's run a simple filter, of course, on the price field. Just get this out of the way, on the price field. So let's take a look at the product price. So we're using decimal field for the price. So let's go for price, and then underscore underscore greater than or equal to 50, and the comma, and then price underscore underscore less than or equal to 1,000. And of course, what's happening here in this filter, this is an AND. So the product must meet this specification and the price less than or equal to specification. Remember here, when we don't define anything else, the filter is going to be performing an AND function behind the scenes to ensure that products meet both of these conditions. Okay, so head over to the documentation. Let's do a refresh. Let's head over to 2.4. Try this out. So we're only returning products if the price is between 50 and 1,000. And you can see that we haven't specified an order here. So it looks like it's descending, then all of a sudden it jumps up again. So there's no order here, but we can see that all of these prices are between the range that we specified. Now, if you're looking for more challenges like this one, then do check out our Django ORM Query Freeview YouTube playlist. Now, if you're ready to master all the skills behind these queries, then do take a look at our Django ORM Mastery course. It's designed to take you from the ground up. Now, all the links to the playlist and course is in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways.